Hi, my friends, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today, we are out here with the Vivitar Aeroview video drone, and we are just gonna have some fun. Mostly today, we will be doing some low flying. We're just gonna have fun with it. The Vivitar Aeroview video drone is one spectacular drone, very good performer for its price. Beginner drone. So, guys, for those who have been following me for a while now, they know that this is one of my favorite drones, not because it has a great camera, not because it is one of the best drones out there, but simply because I just enjoy flying it. I just love the way it reacts, the way it performs, its durability. It's something else. It crashes and takes off thereafter. Now, don't go crashing your drone trying to test it out. Okay? Yeah, try to keep it airborne, fly in an open space, and yeah. So let's get to it. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Yeah. It is an excellent beginner drone. That's what I was talking about. With some drones, those little mistakes or crashes would, you know, keep it on the ground. But with Vivitar Aeroview video drone, it takes right off, provided you know what you're doing. It's just practice. Takes off. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. And for those who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, leave a comment below, tell me what you think. I really appreciate all my subscribers and their comments. It's been very heartwarming. It's been great. Thank you guys for all your comments and all you do to support this channel, the Maverick channel. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, yeah. Recently, I have really enjoyed flying this drone low, close to the ground. Ooh-wee. All right, guys. Thank you very, very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment below. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you and have a wonderful day.